So we got some more rain going on this weekend, so I thought it was a good time to start editing the garage build part 3, and that is getting the inside done. Now, remember in part 2, we had a huge delay because they didn't have the haunch plates ready for us, so we couldn't finish the outside right away. And so once we got the haunch plates up and stuff, we were dealing with snow and ice, so the floor on the inside couldn't get done until the spring or summer because we had so much frost and so much ice and snow on the inside here. So that was quite a challenge. And even when we were working in here to start building walls, we were slip sliding everywhere. We did, throw salt down. We had space heaters going just so that, one, we weren't freezing because it was really cold that year in December. And then we had the space heaters. We salted and sanded in here so we could get around. But again, it was doing this at night and on the weekends, so we didn't have any light, hardly. We had spotlights here and there, but it wasn't enough, but we had to make do. So anyways, the inside, we had to put up walls. We had to frame in some walls before we could do anything, and then we framed them up. But we didn't sheetrock until later, definitely a lot later. And then we had to cut in doors and cut in windows. The whole overhead door we didn't have. That we had an issue with that when that got shipped. Supposedly they put it in a big crate, and they didn't tell us it was in a big crate. And when it arrived at my workplace, I saw it and it was all strapped down to a pallet. So I thought, hey, that's great. It looks like it's all there. I was up in the office working, and I was the only one in the office that day, so I couldn't go down and inspect it. But I asked my brother to, and he didn't know what was, was supposed to be there or not. Well, it comes to find out that it was in a crate. The crate broke open, and we lost the whole motor and the chains and all that to open the door. So we couldn't get that back, and the company said, well, you signed for a damaged package, so you're screwed. So we have to open that by hand, and then we have a rope to yank it back down. Maybe someday we'll get another motor and the whole chain and everything to put that up. But you'll see in the pictures, because I didn't have a whole lot of video of this, there's a big heavy-duty tarp there. So we were still working in the cold, even though we had space heaters that they couldn't keep up. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the little picture slides show. And obviously this is part 3. There'll be, more videos because I still can't get past that 15-minute mark. I need more subscribers and commenters, likers, all that fun stuff to build my channel so I can make longer videos. But anyways, hope you enjoy part 3. Thanks for watching.